Oh, there's a little red girl in the back. Oh, aren't they beautiful? They were born August 13th. They're big babies. Big babies. Oh. I better be careful. I don't want to step on anybody. Beautiful red girl. She only looks red and white. I'm not seeing ticking, but she might get ticking. That one's ticked. You know what? Maybe we won't get any ticking on this little girl either. She might just be like black and white. She might get a little bit of tan somewhere on her. Who do you have?
Hound boy.
Oh my goodness. I'm not going to face the sun. I'm going to go on this side. Oh, he's in my shade. There we go. He's beautiful. Look at the size of that baby boy.
Angry boy.
Oh, he's not angry. He's just a big love. Hey, big love. Oh my goodness. Look at this baby. Holy cow.
You're all red tick.
Oh,
He's done.
man. Chocolate. He's chocolate.
Chocolate.
Look at the ear color, too. That's beautiful. He's going to be just like mocha. Oh, look at those ears. What color? Oh, my goodness. He's a nice size boy.
He's a big boy.
Wow. Wow. Not going to be a tiny baby, that's for sure. So what size do you think he'll end up being? He's 2 weeks. Pretty close to 2 weeks. Oh, man.
He's a big boy.
That's a beautiful pup. Looks like some will get ticking and some aren't going to get any.
He's
Definitely going to have ticking. We had one black and white boy. And let me see the other ones. And all the baby Redbones are keeping to themselves. One little female and 4 baby boys. And these are just a real mix of colors and patterns. Hey, sweet baby. Hey. What are you doing? You're a very cute baby. Hello, cutest baby. Hey, curious baby. That's what you are. There's a lot of curious babies around here. Oh, come on. You are just too cute. You are killer cute. Oh, my word. Hey. Oh. Look at the fat rolls on them. Oh, my goodness. Cute on a puppy. Oh man, that's adorable. Little red baby has moved around with her black and white sister. That's beautiful. We have a black and white one, and then we have a little ticked one in the back. I can get her in the picture here without her getting too blurry, but yeah, she's blurry. Darn it. Oh, there we go. Okay, kids. Gotta get washing puppies.